CMP Products is a global leader in the design and manufacture of cable glands, cable cleats, and accessories. With offices and warehouses located around the world, supporting a major distribution network, CMP has an international reputation for quality and reliability. Forming part of the distinguished British Engines group of companies, CMP occupies 3 sites in the north of England and has been providing safe and innovative solutions for over 60 years. Our research and development engineers are continually bringing new products to the market and seeking to improve our existing portfolio. From high-volume manufactured parts to more specialist bespoke solutions, products are manufactured using high-quality raw materials including brass, stainless steel, aluminium, and polymer. Safety and quality are fundamental drivers for our business, so we continually invest in people, machinery, and new processes that add value to our customers' projects. Automated planning combined with decades of manufacturing experience ensure that our machines operate at maximum efficiency by allocating the right orders to the right machines and taking into account product type, material, volume, and urgency. Alongside this, we operate a rolling program of preventative maintenance, avoiding unexpected interruptions and maximizing machine efficiencies. As a result, the lifespan of our machines is improved and running costs are minimized. Our approach forms part of an ISO-certified integrated management system under which CMP operates an accredited quality system, ensuring products are inspected at each step of the manufacturing process. Our state-of-the-art plating plant allows us to plate more products and at a higher specification than any other cable gland manufacturer, whilst CMP's in-house automation team allow us to remain highly competitive. Products are third-party tested and certified, covering a variety of international codes and standards to suit a wide range of industrial and explosive atmosphere applications, and covering industries such as energy, rail, pharmaceutical, and many more. New premises and space to expand ensure that we respond rapidly to increases in customer demand. It also allows us to evolve and expand our product range, including a dedicated cable cleat manufacturing line which utilises advanced technology and robotics to produce cable cleats under the watchful eye of our manufacturing. Along with our new True Seal cable gland, cable cleat inserts and liners are among the parts produced by our in-house mould shop with unique combinations of polymers to produce high-quality, robust parts, many of which meet the most stringent low smoke and fume requirements. Both standard and bespoke cable cleats, including products suitable for high voltage cables, are installed on many major projects throughout the world. Our service levels ensure short lead times for customers and provide the ability to fast-track delivery when required. Project documentation is available in a range of languages, and dedicated support is available for complex projects spanning multiple countries. We strive to provide customers with the very latest innovations and highest quality products, whilst promoting responsible business management systems. CMP Products, securing cables worldwide.